The people of the Independent Republic of Biafra has said that the presence of the US observers underscores the growing international concern over the manifestly unjust and politically motivated trial being against their leader, Nnamdi Kanu. This issue is getting much more intense by the day, and in this video, I'll explain to you exactly why this is a national problem that could lead to escalating matters. Ensure you stick with me in this video from the beginning to the end of the video so you get to grasp every single thing and every detail on this current developing matter. Don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon so you don't miss our future videos on this channel. Two officials from the United States government were present at the Federal High Court in Abuja on Tuesday, June 18 of 2025 to observe the ongoing trial of the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, according to the organization. IPOB said the presence of the US observers underscores the growing international concern over the manifestly unjust and politically motivated trial being orchestrated against their leader. In a press statement issued by the hearing and said by Comrade Emma Powerful, Media and Publicity Secretary for IPOB, the organization described the day's court proceedings as shambolic display by the prosecution, claiming that its principal witness, codenamed PWDDD, crumbled under devastating cross-examination by the defense. According to the IPOB, the government witness, described as self-identified law enforcement operative, gave testimony that rested heavily on hearsay, uncorroborated newspaper clippings, and allegations lacking any investigative or evidentiary backbone. The group noted that PWDDD relied on a July 3, 2021 Vanguard newspaper article to claim that Kanu had ordered someone to kill 2,000 people. He reportedly also alleged Kanu authorized the attack on the Owerri Correctional Facility but admitted under cross-examination that he was neither present at the incident nor involved in any formal investigation of it. The presiding judge reportedly rejected documents the prosecution attempted to tender, ruling that they were obtained without legal counsel. Being present with the defendant, a violation of fair trial standards, IPOB said. Among the exhibits submitted by a prosecution was a report from the National Broadcasting Commission, which IPOB noted simply stated that broadcasting transmitters require regulatory approval and that the equipment was intended for broadcasting. IPOB argued that such a statement is neither novel nor incriminating in any serious legal sense. Highlighting the defense efforts, IPOB said its lead counsel, Dr. Onyechi Bazu, who is a senior advocate of Nigeria, utterly dismantled the prosecution's case during cross-examination. PWDDD allegedly admitted that no official report of his so-called investigation was filed in court and said it was in a drawer in his office. Instead, he also reportedly confirmed he had no personal knowledge of key individuals or events connected to the case. If you are still watching, please kindly drop a like and subscribe to the channel. If you know a friend that actually likes to get engaged on the matter of Nnamdi Kanu, kindly send him or her this video so they can get to learn as we continue. He never interviewed Uzoma Benjamin, aka Onyame. He never interviewed the Vanguard journalist who allegedly took Onyami's statement. He was not present at the Owerri police station or correctional center during the alleged attacks, the IPOB statement stated. The witness also reportedly admitted to not interviewing anyone linked to the killing of a former presidential aide, Ahmed Gulak, and to receiving no witness information related to it. When questioned about his reliance on newspaper reports, IPOB claimed he shockingly affirmed that he believes everything he reads in newspapers, but contradicted himself by dismissing a similar allegation involving Sunday Igboho published in the same outlet. Under pressure from the defense, PWDDD was allegedly made to read aloud a portion of the Vanguard article which labeled Onyami's claims as mere allegations without proof. According to the IPOB, the witness gave evasive and incoherent answers throughout the session, prompting both the judge and the prosecution's lead counsel, Chief Adeboyega Awomolo, SAN, to intervene. The judge reportedly told the witness, "Answer the question put to you, honestly, without needless explanation, and stop wasting my time." The witness replied that he would justice himself without the need for the court to admonish him. Summing up the court event, IPOB stated, "Today's proceedings laid bare the comedy of errors that has become the federal government's case against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu." IPOB concluded the statement by renewing its call for the immediate and unconditional release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, insisting that this entire process is a political persecution anchored in illegality, impunity, and vengeance, not law. Salah reporters earlier reported that the traditional ruler of Obi Ancient Kingdom in Nsukka local government area of Enugu State, Eze Igwe Williams Ezugu, has declared that President Bola Tinubu missed a historic opportunity to begin national healing by failing to release Kanu on Democracy Day, which was the June 12th of 2025. The monarch, who is also the Secretary General of the Conference of Nigeria Political Parties, said Tinubu's failure to act was a missed opportunity to demonstrate. Nnamdi Kanu has actually been under a whole lot of pressure lately, as he has been actually accused of the importations of a lot of equipment. He has been accused of a lot of things, both ones that lack credible evidence and ones that may seem to have any evidence. If you are still watching, drop a like and subscribe as well. As the Federal High Court in Abuja held on Wednesday that the National Broadcasting Commission did not issue a license to retain self-acclaimed leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, to import the radio transmitter he allegedly smuggled into the country to operate Radio Biafra. An official of the Department of State Services made this testament at the resumption of his testimony as the fourth prosecution witness in the ongoing terrorism trial of Kanu. The witness led in evidence by prosecuting lawyer Adeboyega Awomolo San said the number of security agents killed in the southeast owing to the activities of IPOB and its armed wing, the Eastern Security Network, was between 170 and 200. He also gave details of how the late former aide to ex-President Goodluck Jonathan was killed on May 30th, 2021 in Owerri, Imo State. A lot of things have been happening owing to these cases, and if you are interested in learning more about this, kindly hit the red subscribe button and turn on the notification icon as we follow through this case, and don't forget to share the video with your friends who might be interested in topics just like the one that you are watching right now. Don't forget to subscribe and drop a like to this video, and I'll see you in my very next video.